I'm Tess, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious Chinese vegetarian lo mein using spaghetti noodles. Stay tuned. There are two popular questions that I receive on my Chinese lo mein recipe videos. One is, can I make a vegetarian Chinese lo mein? And the other is, can I use spaghetti for the noodles? The answer to both those questions is yes. I'm fully cooking a pound of spaghetti. This recipe calls for about 1/3 pound of cooked spaghetti for each pan full. I'm using my wok tonight, but you can use a deep skillet for cooking. I have all my ingredients together, and my vegetables are prepped and ready because this stir fry is going to go quickly. Dinner's going to be ready in about 10 minutes. I have my heat on medium-high, and I'm adding in some oil, the whites of garden onions, lots of minced garlic, bell peppers, some celery, and this is optional, but I'm adding in a couple red chili peppers for a little heat. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. I cut my vegetables into matchstick or julienne pieces so they mix well with the spaghetti. And of course, you use the vegetables that you like. I love fresh bean sprouts with my lo mein, so I'm adding in a good portion. I really enjoy the taste and crunch of the bean sprouts. You can get these fresh at your Asian market, or you can use the canned bean sprouts. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and the sprouts will start to wilt and mix in. And we're almost done. I'm adding in the cooked spaghetti, the greens of the garden onions, some mushroom dark soy sauce, and this really adds the classic Chinese lo mein flavor. And finally, this is oyster sauce. Actually, vegetarian oyster sauce. Most Asian markets carry a vegetarian form of oyster sauce, but I will also leave a link below where you can purchase this online. And that's it. Give this a good toss to incorporate for about a minute, and we are ready to eat. I love the taste and crunch of all the vegetables. The spaghetti is a good substitute for the lo mein noodles, but it's not exactly the same. The lo mein noodles contain eggs, and most dry pastas do not. The spaghetti has a smoother texture. The lo mein noodles have a denser and chewier bite, so when I cooked the spaghetti, I cooked it to al dente and kept a little bite. That's important to note, not to overcook the spaghetti noodles. Topping with some fresh bean sprouts and garden onions. I hope you give this Chinese vegetarian spaghetti stir-fry a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.